Fox. Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily remove two blue arrows from icons in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you have a two blue arrow icons here in your icons in your desktop or here in your icons of a specific program or file folder, then in this video I'll teach you how to fix it. So the very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to the file folder which contains dot two blue arrow icons. In my case, I don't have such, but in this video, I'll teach you how to remove it. Okay, let me just set it into extra large icons so that you would be able to see it clearly. Now you need to select the folder which contains the two blue arrow icons in it. Okay, and please do a right click and go with properties. So in this properties window, you need to proceed with attributes under the general tab and click on advanced. The moment you have the click on it, wait, proceed with compress contents to save dash space and make sure that it is being unchecked. Okay? Once you have ensured it is being unchecked, click on OK, go with apply and then OK. So do the same on the rest of the file folders which has the two blue arrow icons. Please do a right click, go with properties again, and this time you need to navigate on advanced and go with here and make sure it is being unchecked. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Do the same to the rest with the rest of the file folders. Do a right click, go with properties, click on advanced, uncheck the box which is compressed contents to save that space, click on OK, apply and then OK. Let's say if you have a bunch file folders here. Now, I mean, going with the advanced options one by one would take a lot of time and it's time consuming. It's tiring actually. Then I'll teach you how to fix it with just a single file folder. So you need to close this window and proceed to the folder which contains all the folders that you have that has that two blue arrow icons. You need to select the folder which contains the compilation of the folder that you have. You just have to do a right click to it and go with the same, and that is to go with properties, go with advanced, click on it, and then check the box. Okay. And go with OK to proceed and go with apply and then OK. Once done, you would be able to remove all the two blue arrow icons pasting or attaching in your icons or in your file folders. Okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.